Hello guys, welcome to another lecture. In this video we'll talk about how to create lists and what types of lists are they available on XHTML. So we have three types of lists that exist on XHTML. They are the numbered lists, the bulleted lists, and the definition lists. So let's go one by one and see how they work. So let's start with creation of numbered lists. A numbered list consists of at least 2 items, so you need at least 2 items to create a numbered list. Each item will be defined with a number, okay? So whenever you need a numbered list with, let's say, priority importance of items, you can use this way. And I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very, very simple. The first tag you should use OL tag. And let's close it down here. And between the OL tag, you use the LI tag. Okay, and close LI here. And let's open LI and close LI here. Okay, so OL stands for ordered list, and inside the OL tags we need to type the LI tags for each item. So here will be, this will have item 1 and this will have item 2. And let's save this, and you'll see not only here but you'll see in a lot of coding that we indent and give a space whenever we have elements inside other elements. So it gives a very organized sensation of the code, and often developers want the code to be indented every single time. So make sure you always create indents on your elements. Okay? You can either indent 1 or 2 times whenever you have elements inside another element. So we have the first element, which is OL, or the ordered list tags. We indent it 1 time, and then we indent everything that is inside the ordered list 1 time as well. So we will have everything well organized and indented. I will remind you of this throughout the whole course so you can make your code very, very organized and present it like in a professional way. So let's proceed with the ordered list and save this. And let me check this now and run it on Chrome. And there it is. Perfect. We have 1 and 2, and this is the content of LI tags, item 1 and item 2. So let's create more items for the list. I can copy this, and here instead of item 1 let's type BMW, Mercedes, and Ferrari. This is not my choice of cars at all, okay guys? So let's just type whatever you want, and this would be Ford. So if you save this and go to the browser and refresh, there it is. We have an ordered list perfectly organized here, and this is how you can create an ordered list without much sacrifice. So we have another list that you can create, another type of list, which is the bulleted list. And a bulleted list is created very, very easily. Instead of the OL tags, we just have to change them by UL tags. Okay, UL means an ordered list, which basically stands for bulleted lists, or will transform the list on bulleted list. So as you'll see in the browser, if I refresh, there it is. Okay, we have bullets instead of numbers, and this is a common listed that we see all the time on web pages. So this is how you do it. In the future, I will show you, as soon as we start doing some images, lectures, and how to work with images and XHTML, I will show you how to put, instead of bullets, how to put your own image. Okay? So that leaves us with a final choice, which is the definition list. And to create a definition list, we need three types of tags. The first tag we need is the DL tag, okay, which stands for definition list. Okay? Good. Next, we need the DT tag, which stands for definition term. And here, between the DT tags, let's type BMW. And down here, let's type the last tag we need, which is the DD tag. DD tag stands for definition list definition. So DD and close DD. Okay? And inside the DD tags, as content, we're going to put something like, for example, the BMW is one hell of a car. Okay, something that defines the BMW. Now, we can do for each one of the cars, we can do the same thing. So let me just put this here, and let me copy this and put it, paste it here, and another one, paste it here. So instead of BMW, you can type Ferrari, and here Ferrari. Okay, and here type Mercedes and Mercedes. Okay, so let's check how this is presented on the browser. Let me refresh, and there it is. Okay, so we basically have the name of the car, which is almost like a title, which is inside the DT tags. And then we have some description, which is indented, as you can see here. It almost works like the block quote. Okay, and this is how we can create defined lists, and that's basically how you can use it for definitions with titles, and maybe you can use this as well for news feed or something like that. You can also use nesting lists. So I'm going to show you how to nest a list, and it's very simple as well. So you just type ordered list tag and close it, ordered list, down here. And let's type li, and close li. Now let's push the closing li down here, and inside the li tags we're gonna type ul. So we basically create an ordered list inside the ordered list, and in here we create li and close li, and li and close li. And let's have another one. It's li. And here you can type, let's say, tomatoes, and let's type chips or whatever food you want to type there. And up in here, just next to the opening li tag, we're going to type, let's say, food list. Okay? Now let's copy this. Let's approach a little bit more the spaces between, or the lines between each tag here, and also here and here, and save this. So we have an ordered list inside an li and then inside a ordered list. Now let's check this out and run it in Chrome. And this is what we would get. So as you can see, it's a pretty cool feature and very presentable for having subcategories. And let me check this and do it again like this. Copy, paste it, and maybe food list, and maybe instead of food list, let's type toys list. And here you can type cars and bikes and something like Playmobil. Okay, and save this. Let's go to the browser, Chrome, refresh it, and there it is. Okay, so this is how you can give subcategories to lists. Now we have a problem here that you can see, which is we have one food list and then we have the one again. So to avoid this, I made a mistake here, which is the closing ordered list here and the opening ordered list here. Basically just delete those two and save this. Let's return back, and now we have 1 and 2. Perfect. Okay, so this is all for now. Hope you guys practice a lot, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.